we go. Hey, put your buckles on. They're what? You want to take these shoes off?
Yes. Look, there's less in that. Whoa. Have anything to say, baby? Under? What? Did you say under? What? Did you say under? Yeah.
Make sure you're pointing so that people can see what you're pointing at. Here, let me see it. Alright. Hurricane Hunter's here. We're out doing some inspections to make sure everything's good in the neighborhood. I got my helpers here. Got Hurricane Hunter Cadet Oliver and Cadet Madeline. Say hi, Madeline.
Hi, Madeline.
Oh, that door's not closed. Alright. First, we're gonna go cruise around and check all the lakes, and then we're gonna go look at the pond. Stay tuned.
So today we're going to do something really cool. We're going out in the hurricane to check on the pub by the neighborhood pool lake. Because I saw Mommy, Daddy. No, baby. Just learn the new short. Hope you caught that.
Oh yeah.
Hope you caught that, YouTube. I hope you heard that, YouTube.
We're gonna have to hit it with a little bit of speed.
Yeah, we are.
Alright guys, hold on to your butts. We're good. You hold the camera up too so we can see.
We're using all of our speed, baby! I think we got stuck in a ginormous mud puddle.
Man, we're bogging deep.
Yeah.
Got my Hurricane Hunters here. We're out cruising, looking at all of the water in the neighborhood and just making sure we're doing good.
And also making sure the school is good.
School looks good, doesn't it?
BBKers are doing good at school, so they don't have to stay at school. I go fast BBS. I go fast BBS. I go fast BBS. I go fast BBS. I go fast BBS.
People crazy enough to come out here driving right now, bud. That lake's looking good over there. Water's down nice and low. So we're doing good on that one. Canals are all down at a good low level. It's like some of our neighbors are just leaving over there. They're from Ohio. They don't even know what's up. They're worried.
Worried about what?
The hurricane. Let's go cruise down this.
Stay safe. Stay safe.
safe.